procedure. Simply follow the voice instructions and check the face fitting results. Now check the fitting for head and shoulder movement. Up, down, left, right, tilt left, tilt right, and some natural movement. Now check the fitting for eyelid movement, eyes closing and blinking. Now check the fitting for eyeball movement, up, down, left, right, and rolling. Now check the fitting for mouth shape and teeth orientation. A, E, I, O, U, and meow. Now check the fitting for facial expression. Smile, angry, sad, happy, surprised, and scared. You have just finished the face-fitting calibration procedure. If you are satisfied with the fitting, save your work, or continue to fine-tune the features and get the perfect fitting you want.